Welcome everyone. So here is the general awareness question. We are going to solve some current affair questions which has been asked in a recent examination. So let's start. The first question is, where is the SAARC Secretariat located? Options are New Delhi, Dhaka, Islamabad, Kathmandu. Recently we have had a SAARC conference. Maybe you remember that. So you can check what is the answer. You can guess the answer as well. You can answer in the comment section. Next question is, where would one expect to find the letters Q, W, E, R, T, Y in that order? Options are mouse, keyboard, numeric keypad, none of these. Next question. National fruit of India: apple, mango, banana, jackfruit. The next and very interesting question: which of the following is not correct about Hall Tejas? It's a single engine aircraft, it has got vertical stabilizer, it has got a delta wing, or it is the first supersonic fighter. You can check an answer. What would be the national game of India? Cricket, football, kabaddi, or hockey? Prizes in which of the following disciplines was not funded by Alfred Nobel's last will and testament? Answer is economics, peace, physiology, or physics. You can just do a small research and answer these questions. Next question is from sports. In cricket, MS Dhoni's record as the most successful T20 captain was recently broken by which cricketer? P. Collingwood, Ian Morgan, Asghar Afghan, or C.R. Braithwaite? 83rd question is, in a free economy, prices are determined by freely by government, freely by suppliers, freely by consumers, or none of these. Let's move ahead with the next set of questions. Question number 84. Who is the odd one in the list below? Indira Gandhi, Shrimavo Bandaranaike, Margaret Thatcher, or Hillary Clinton? So you will have to separate the name of the person which is not in a same category. Number 85. The national song of India is? What would be the national song of India? Jana Gana Mana, Sare Jahan Se Achha, Vande Mataram, or none of these? Number 86. Choose the one which is different from the rest. Kiwi, eagle, emu, ostrich. You need to separate all these. Next question. The President of India is elected by member of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, members of the state assemblies, members of the state legislative councils, and all of these. Next question. Who among the following was among the first recipients of the Bharat Ratna? Jawaharlal Nehru, C. Rajgopalachari, Rajendra Prasad, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Number 89. Reserve Bank of India was founded in which year? 35, 47, 50, 55. Check and confirm. The Chauri Chaura tragedy happened in which year? 1917, 22, or 30? You can see 1917 is given 2 times. Be cautious and careful in these kind of options. Next question is, who succeeded Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru as the Prime Minister of India? Indira Gandhi, Morarji Desai, Lal Bahadur Shastri, or Gulzari Lal Nanda? Next question from another section is, the horn of rhinoceros is what? Is it a modified tooth, modified bone, modified nail, or none of these? These are certain set of questions which has been repeated again and again in different examinations. So we have got another 8 set of questions for today's session. Next question would be, Goa became the part of Indian Union on which year? 47, 50, 61, none of these. You can check and confirm. Next question. S. Dhanalakshmi broke PT Usha's 23-year-old meet record on the March 2021. For which track and field event was this record was broken? 40 meters sprint, 800 meters, 4 into 100 meter relay, or 100 meter sprint. The category was sports. Next question. Identify the odd one out. Professor C.N. Rao, Sachin Tendulkar, Manmohan Singh, Atal Bihari Vajpayee. As you can see, we are talking about Bharat Ratnas. It's a very easy question. I hope you will pick the person who hasn't been rewarded Bharat Ratna. Next question. Where was the Green Revolution in India started? Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, or Andhra Pradesh? Next question. The famous book, The Guide, was authored by which author? Pustak Mahal Editorial Board, R.K. Narayan, Amitav Kant, Mulk Raj Anand. Next question. Sandstone is what it is? Is it a sedimentary rock? It is a metamorphic rock, igneous rock, or volcanic rock? What kind of rock is sandstone is? Next question. After the British moved the capital of India to New Delhi, the summer capital of India was Nainital, Shimla, Darjeeling, or Mussoorie? And the last question for today is Chandrani Murmu is currently the youngest parliamentarian. What was her age when elected? 18 years, 20 years, 25 years, or 29 years? So I'll get back with the answers, solution, and explanation of each and every question which we have discussed today from current affairs. I hope you all will be ready with your set of answers. So stay tuned and please take care. Thank you.